Bit of footage. Yes.
It's the advantage now at the moment.
But I notice always with the polished issues that I made.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And the paisley shawls and hats of the ladies. You see the paisley shawls now in a minute. See the paisley shawl. That was the Sunday shawl. You could leave Dublin at 11 in the morning and get ready money by 5 o'clock. You could, yeah. You had, you know, you had first class and third class. You had only 2 times. But the old story was that the first class passengers stayed aboard, second class got out and walked, the third class got out and pushed. But where that story came from is that there was first class carriages and third class carriages, but there were also composite carriages, which were a mix of the two. They had glass in them at the time, but it was that. Remember the old trains that they would put up the thing with leather? That road was known as the New Line, even when I started work in 1960. I did sometimes refer to the New Line, and that was built in 1837. That line, that road from the shore to Ballygunner, and it was built at the Gun Barrel Road, straight to the Gun Barrel. So it was very easy to put the road from here to Ballygunner. Each farmer on the right-hand side of the road was entitled to go in and out. And he took priority over the train actually.
Oh.
Yeah. And it's supposed to be so well balanced that a child of 8 was able to lift him up and down. The pulley system and counterbalance, you see.